How much plowing have you been doing today?
I just work for the Jewish place. You know, I got 80 houses in my place, and it's very, very hard to clean it up. You know, because it's too much snow. But it's winter time. We can handle. We need that.
So, how would you describe this winter?
Oh, too much, too much. Cold weather, a lot of snow, and now we expect like 18 inches, and if we got 18 inches, I don't know how we're going to handle this tomorrow. Very, very bad.
Now, you said you do about 80 houses?
Yeah, in my place, yes, I got 80 houses, and it's a big place, so very hot.
And how long have you been out today?
In my place?
Mm-hmm.
Couple hours. Let's say maybe from, I just want to clean and clean and clean, because tomorrow we don't know exactly how much more we're going to get, you know, and I don't want to start tomorrow.
This is Woodridge.
And then we're gonna go over there, and we're just looking for some money.
We're just like kind of like helping out like people. That's all. That's like.
How long?
When we get stuck and all, we can help them out.
How long have you guys been out doing this?
Maybe like 2 hours. Heel?
Yeah.
You mean? That guy here, like we were
About
stopping
30
him.
minutes. Like that. 20, 30.
How many places did you hit so far?
4.
And you not tired yet?
I've been walking all day.
Need money.
You guys look like it's not just work for you guys. You look like you're having some fun doing this.